What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and for today's video we've got a story time. So before we go ahead and even get started with this story, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that comment. I want to get to 50 subscribers. We're at 29 right now. Let's get to 30, let's get to 40, and then let's get to 50. This story time is about the time that I got hacked on StockX. For the people that don't know, StockX is like a sneaker selling app, buying and selling, where you could buy sneakers and clothes. It's like an aftermarket, like an eBay of sorts. And I would say it's an even better version of eBay that's more specific for shoes and clothes, for the people into that kind of stuff. And I use the app a lot. I've always used the app a lot. I've bought things from there. I've sold things on StockX, so I'm a StockX guy. One day I was just in the library. It was during the time of either midterms or finals, so I had a lot going on. I was stressing. I was stressed about school and homework and tests, and then I get a notification that my bank has just declined a couple $1,000 purchase, and then I get another notification that says another few thousand dollar purchase has been declined. And then I go into my bank app and see a transaction of, I think $1,300 had been accepted. So it had gone through and everything. I'm checking through my phone, trying to figure out what happened, where all the money went, and I'm confused, I'm angry, I'm frustrated, I'm stressed, I'm in the library, and boom, I open the StockX app and realize that someone had been trying to buy things on my StockX account. First, they tried to buy a watch that was worth thousands of dollars, a couple of watches or something, I think maybe a pair of Nike Air Mags or something as well. So things worth thousands of dollars. Boom, there was a transaction of some off-white Air Max 90s that went through for $1,300. So the reason that the other things didn't go through was because I have a credit line that doesn't even go that high. And it said the order had been confirmed, and I'm panicking. I'm panicking at this point. I had seen that StockX had security breaches in the past, where like your data would get like exposed to like hackers or something like that. To see that this happened to me, I was heated. I called my bank. I tried to figure things out. They froze my cards. StockX, they have a terrible like customer support system. Like you can't call them or anything. It's just like email, and they'll get back to you in like 24 hours. It was so annoying. It was literally so annoying. So I emailed them. I was stressing. I went to my car, left the library, and made some calls and tried to figure out the credit card situation. I think like, okay, it's chill, like my credit cards are frozen, like we're chilling. I'll figure it out in a little bit. So then I go to the cafeteria to get some food, and then I'm looking through my emails and I'm seeing thousands of emails from like random websites that I can't even pronounce, that I never even heard of, with names that are not even my name. And then I realized my email had been compromised as well. So I think like the StockX like data leak situation, they look at the passwords and stuff, and then they can figure out how to hack your email. I don't know. It was so scary. I didn't know what I was gonna do. So I changed my email password. I just canceled. I tried to delete all these emails. Changed all my email stuff. I put a stop on everything. I thought I was good, and I was. Nothing else got compromised or anything like that. I had to go to the bank. I had to get whole new credit cards, new debit cards. I had to like change all of my stuff. So let this serve as a warning, guys. StockX, like, be careful. I still use StockX, honestly, but I changed all my info. I changed my password. Eventually they helped me work it out. But the thing that's so annoying about this, a couple months later, I want to buy some shoes from StockX. So I want to get these off-white Nike Dunks. They were at the time like $420, which is crazy, I know. And I'm excited, I'm gonna buy them. I go to buy them, and then my StockX account, like anything under my name, I can't buy anything on StockX. So I haven't bought anything on StockX since that situation, because literally it's blocked for me. I can't buy anything. And I don't think it's my credit card or my debit card. It's StockX. Like they have my information like banned because of the whole thing, and I emailed them, trying to figure it out, try to fix it. They said send an alternate email, like blah blah blah. And I tried it, and then nothing. They go silent. The StockX support team is trash. It's literally trash. StockX, if you're watching this, unban my payment method so that I could cop some shoes from you. And then later down the line, just recently, I was like, okay, I want to try again. Like, I want to get those shoes that I was looking at. They were like $400 something, and then now the price has gone up to $900 something. So I could have bought those shoes and sold them later for $900, but StockX banned my information, banned me. StockX banned me because I got hacked, because it was their fault. So is this a little bit of a rant? Potentially, I don't know. So the point of this story time is to let you guys know StockX is not safe. Do I still use it? Have I changed my information? Do I still sell things on it? Yes, but it doesn't let me buy anything on it, which is annoying, but I know they're trying to be safe, but also like, I guess my message to you guys is be safe out there. Be safe out there with your information. These hackers are out there, they're everywhere. They're trying to get you, they're trying to get your identity, they're trying to get your bank information. I know that was kind of like a random story that didn't have like a fun end or anything like that, but I just thought it was a crazy situation that happened to me that I wanted to share with my channel. So that concludes this video, that concludes the story time. I got hacked on StockX. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 50 subscribers, like I said. Hit that like button. Drop a comment if you've ever been hacked on StockX or something, or hacked, period. Shout out to my boy, Mark. I think months later his Nintendo account got hacked or something, so it's not safe in these streets. So thank you guys for watching. Peace.